Hey, what's up everybody? This is Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com. I just posted a video about Equifax with a settlement that they made, and it was over a period of time, and you can refer to that video, and I'll put the link on that video under this video. But something just came to my mind, and I'm here outside of my house at my swimming pool. You can look at my feet there. You probably like looking at the water more than looking at me, but something that came to my mind with the Santander settlement in conjunction with this settlement with Equifax. Now, I don't want you to get confused and think that the settlement that I'm talking about with Equifax was for the data breach. No, that was something else. This is something where they agreed to pay people $1,500. They did not say that they did any wrongdoing, but basically what they're saying and what the settlement is about is that they placed either incorrect information about tax liens or judgments, bankruptcies, public records on the people's Equifax reports. And regardless if it was true or not, it was something that that they did not want to disclose about the way that the information was placed on there. That's why I believe that in the settlement, they went ahead and just agreed to just say, we're not saying we did anything wrong, but we're willing to pay out people from that time period $1,500. So this must be something very big, or they would not have agreed to that. And what came to my mind while I was getting ready to come out to my swimming pool here was all of the people that filed or that submitted information to my company to have either the attorney send the demand letter for $500 or they did the $250 demand letter. Almost 100% of you have public records information about your Santander loan. And just think about this. During that period of time, it was all the way to 2019, you will be able to get $1,500 just based on that, $1,500 back. I'm going to put the link below this video so you can go ahead and submit that. This is like a no-brainer. And remember when I first made that video about Santander where we were going to come up with a solution with the letters, I had said that some other things could come to where it would just, we don't know how. Maybe some of you will get your cars paid off. Something else could come to where you would get some type of either refund on what you paid on the loan or something. Well, this is something that just has came to my attention to where you can get $1,500 back because you know that they put that judgment or public record on your reports if you had your car repoed, or you maybe had some other information on there. A lot of people said that even though their car was not repoed, they were placing judgments or public records on people's credit reports. So if you've paid us $500, this is a way that you're going to get $1,500 back. And if you haven't signed up for our program yet with the $500, this could be a way for you to get that money. So this is Stephen Williams with the creditrepairshop.com, giving you more information about the Equifax settlement for tax liens and public records on their credit reports.